Okay guys, let's continue with a new tutorial for the day. So next tutorial is about automatic customer feedback and the review collection. In this tutorial you'll learn how to automatically collect customer feedback and online reviews using n8n. Businesses often struggle to get the reviews, losing trust and potential sales. This workflow allows you to capture customer purchases or service completion, send personalized feedback requests, log responses in the Google Sheets, also send follow-up emails if no response, encourage posting review on Google, Yelp or Trustpilot. Agencies can offer this as a service to multiple clients and help clients boost their online reputation. So what you learn in this workflow? To capture events from your e-commerce or service platform, automate personalized feedback emails, track responses in Google Sheets, send automated follow-ups for non-responders, and notify your team of high-value reviews. Okay, guys, let's start the workflow now. So, first we have the webhook node to capture the customer event. His purpose is to receive purchase completion or service delivery events. So, the webhook will capture the order ID, the customer name, and the customer email. So, the path is new feedback event, and the production or relay is this. After that, you need a set node to prepare the feedback data. In this set node, on the value, we want to get the order ID. So the order ID. We want also the customer name, the customer email, and the follow up count. Okay, let's continue the workflow. After that, you have an email, another email that will send the feedback request. So you have from feedback our company to email json.customer email, and on the text or subject we value your feedback, and on text we will say like this: hi Jason, customer name, please share your feedback for your recent purchase. After that you'll have a wait node. His purpose is to wait a set number of days before sending follow-up if no feedback received. Here you will put days, let's say 3 days. So after 3 days we'll sending follow-up if no feedback received. After that we will have if node. If feedback is received, we'll check if the customer submitted the feedback. So on the true branch, we'll have the Google Sheet nodes. So if the feedback is received, we'll go to here to the Google Sheets. Okay. And the Google Sheets, his purpose is to record feedback detail for the tracking. So on the columns, you'll map the order ID, the name, the email, the feedback, and the date. And after that, you'll go to the node Slack that will alert your team about the received feedback, especially the high values reviews. So the channel will be customer feedback and the text will be this: new feedback received from JSON customer name. Okay, and if the feedback will not have any feedback, we'll go to fast branch, to the email, to the send follow up. Okay, let's open it. His purpose is to send a second feedback request to customer who haven't responded. So, hey Jason, customer name, we'd love to get your feedback for a recent purchase. To also from email, your company, and to email Jason customer email. So this is a simple workflow that will help you in your business. Thank you for your attention and see you on the next video. Like and subscribe. Don't forget about that. It helps me. Bye bye.